Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to share a contact on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to phone. After that go to contacts and click on any contact. And after that you must scroll down and click Share Contact. After that, click Done, and here you can choose a way or method of sharing this contact. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.